Hey everyone, it's Coding Tuple.
Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic for anyone in the software development field, mastering office politics. Now, I know what you're thinking. Office politics. It's that thing we all have to deal with, but nobody really wants to talk about. But the truth is, understanding the dynamics at play in your workplace can be the difference between just having a job and building a successful career you love. We're talking about navigating the complexities of a workplace, building genuine relationships, and advocating for yourself effectively. So whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out in your career, stick around. Let's get into it. Let's talk about groupism in the workplace, something I'm sure many of you have experienced. Groupism is when small, exclusive groups form within a larger team, often based on shared interests, backgrounds, or even just proximity. You walk into the office and you see these tight-knit groups, each with their own inside jokes and unspoken rules. These groups can make others feel left out or isolated. It's like high school all over again. Remember those cliques that made some feel like they didn't belong? These exclusive groups can be detrimental to a healthy work environment. They can create barriers to effective communication and collaboration. They can breed a sense of us versus them, leading to unnecessary competition and conflict, creating unnecessary divisions within a team. This division can hinder the overall productivity and morale of the workplace. Groupism often leads to preferential treatment, where certain individuals or groups receive more opportunities and recognition than others, stifling innovation and preventing talented individuals from reaching their full potential. This can result in a lack of diverse ideas and perspectives. So how do we combat this? It starts with promoting a culture of inclusion and open communication. Encourage cross-team collaboration and make sure everyone feels heard and valued. Create opportunities for team-building activities that include everyone. And make sure everyone feels heard and valued. Regularly rotate team members to work on different projects together. Let's build something great together. By fostering an inclusive environment, we can ensure that every team member contributes to their fullest potential, driving innovation and success for the entire organization. We live in a globalized world where borders are no longer barriers to communication and collaboration. The tech industry in particular thrives on diversity, drawing strength from the varied perspectives and experiences of its workforce. But with diversity comes the responsibility of ensuring inclusivity. This means being mindful of the language we use every day, in every interaction. Language barriers can be about more than just speaking different languages. It's about creating an environment where everyone feels comfortable and respected regardless of their background. Technical jargon, cultural references, and even humor can be misinterpreted or lost in translation, leading to misunderstandings and feelings of exclusion. So how do we bridge this gap? The answer lies in practicing inclusive communication. This involves being aware of the words we choose and the impact they have on others. Be mindful of the technical terms you use and take the time to explain them clearly. This ensures that everyone is on the same page and no one feels left out. Create a safe space where people feel comfortable asking for clarification without fear of judgment. Encourage questions and foster an environment of mutual respect and understanding. That's how you build a truly collaborative and successful team. By embracing the language of inclusion, we can create workplaces where everyone feels valued and empowered to contribute their best. Let's talk about something that really grinds my gears: credit stealing. We've all seen it happen. Someone takes credit for another person's work and it's just not cool. It creates a toxic work environment where people are afraid to share ideas or collaborate. The tech world thrives on collaboration, so how do we combat this? It all starts with transparency. Establish clear ownership of tasks and projects from the get-go. When it comes to giving credit, be generous and specific. Remember, giving credit where credit is due fosters a culture of respect and collaboration. Ever feel like you're doing amazing work but it's just not being noticed? That's the visibility problem. In a perfect world, your work would speak for itself. But sometimes you need to be your own advocate. Start by documenting your work clearly and concisely. Keep track of your achievements and the impact you made on the project. Find opportunities to share your work and insights with a wider audience. Present at team meetings, contribute to company blogs, or participate in industry events. Visibility is about owning your accomplishments and ensuring that your contributions are recognized. Let's talk about opportunities in the workplace, or more specifically, the lack thereof. In many organizations, the distribution of opportunities is far from equal. We've all seen it. The same people get assigned to the high-profile projects, while others are stuck doing the grunt work. This can create a divide within the team, leading to resentment and a lack of motivation among those who feel overlooked. This kind of favoritism can be incredibly frustrating and demoralizing. It not only affects individual morale, but also the overall productivity and harmony of the workplace. So, how do we break this cycle and create a more equitable distribution of opportunities? It starts with transparency. Transparency in decision-making processes can help build trust and ensure fairness. Leaders need to be transparent about the criteria used for assigning projects and ensure that these criteria are objective and fair. This means clearly communicating the skills and experience required for each project. Create a system for skill assessment and development. Regularly evaluate employees' skills and provide feedback to help them grow. Identify the skills and experience needed for specific projects and provide opportunities for individuals to develop those skills. This could include training sessions, workshops, or mentorship programs. Encourage a culture of open communication. Open dialogue allows employees to express their career aspirations and seek guidance on how to achieve them. When everyone has equal access to opportunities, everyone benefits. A fair and transparent system not only boosts morale but also enhances collaboration and innovation, leading to a more successful and harmonious workplace. Career growth can be a tricky thing to navigate. We all want to climb the ladder, take on new challenges, and reach our full potential. But sometimes it feels like the path to success is shrouded in mystery. Career growth isn't a linear path. It's more like a marathon with its own twists and turns. The key is to focus on your own journey, set your own pace, and celebrate your own milestones. Define your own definition of success and set realistic goals. It's okay to ask for help along the way. Enjoy the process, embrace the challenges, and never stop learning and growing. We've all heard the stories, the colleague who got promoted based on who they knew, not what they knew. It's frustrating and demotivating, but it doesn't have to be this way. We can create a workplace where meritocracy reigns supreme. It starts with setting clear, measurable goals. Create a system for objective evaluation using data and metrics to assess performance. Foster a culture of collaboration over competition. When people feel like they're all on the same team, they're less likely to engage in cutthroat tactics. The most effective way to create a positive and productive work environment is to build a strong, healthy culture from the ground up. If office politics are the symptoms, then a toxic culture is the underlying disease. It starts with leadership. Leaders need to embody the values of transparency, fairness, and respect. This means being open and honest in their communication and making decisions based on objective criteria. It also means actively seeking out and promoting diversity at all levels of the organization. But it's not just on the leaders. Everyone has a role to play in shaping the culture. It's about creating an environment where everyone feels valued, respected, and empowered to do their best work. Thanks for sticking with me through this deep dive into office politics in the software development world. I know it's not always the most glamorous topic, but understanding these dynamics is crucial for building a successful and fulfilling career. Remember, it's not about being manipulative or playing games, it's about advocating for yourself, building genuine relationships, and creating a more equitable and productive work environment for everyone. If you found these strategies helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on thriving in the tech industry. See you next time.